Hi students, this is Anita from Melons Academy, and in this video I am going to discuss a writing task with you. Alright, and I chose this case note as this can be quite confusing for some students. Alright, so let me read the task for you. You are the case manager caring for Harry Kovacs' depressed mother, but due to his psychological issues, you need to write a referral for him to John Dyer, clinical psychologist, on the Bankston Early Childhood Mental Health Team at Bankston Hospital. Okay, so you are a case manager and you are writing a referral letter to a clinical psychologist. Okay, see now I'll read the case note. Okay, Harry Kovacs is a 5-year-old boy who is the son of one of your newly referred patients in the community mental health center where you are a mental health case manager. Okay, so this is the son of your patient. Okay, and your patient is suffering from a mental health disorder. All right, and date of birth of your patient 15 April 2006, place of birth, school year. So this child is a kindergarten student. Okay, and the religion, ethnicity, Catholic, and both parents Australian born Hungarian. Mother's name is given there, and see mother's community admission date 16 May 2011, and the mother's diagnosis major depression with psychotic features, son, query, early onset separation anxiety disorder, and the family or psychosocial history. Elizabeth suffered PND, depressed since PND means postnatal depression. Okay, she sometimes hears voices calling her and sees men running around her house. Nil serious psychosis in functional terms. Recently, first psych admission for 6 bar 52. 6 bar 52 means for 6 weeks after high lethality DSH attempt. DSH means deliberate self-harm. It's same as a suicidal attempt. Harry's psychological status okay until DSH and hospitalization. After this, 3 plus signs of separation anxiety. Okay, so Harry's psychological status was okay until her mother's hospital admission. Okay, so after his mother's hospital admission, he started to show signs of separation anxiety. 3 plus means it was so severe. Then father is self-employed and works long hours. 7 by 7 means 7 days a week. Rarely sees Harry and dismissive of Harry's emotional states. He is like a bloody girl now, he told us. So his father is not taking care of Harry, okay? His father is not involved in his care. Then Harry loves a soccer and playing with his dog Rusty. Okay. Next, medical history. Harry has a medical history of eczema, serious otitis media, required grommets at 18 months. Hearing NAD, nothing abnormally detected now. Okay, nil meds. Then case management care and progress. Elizabeth new to our area from Parramatta and referred to us post discharge from Bankston Mental Health Inpatient Unit 2 weeks ago. 2 bar 52 means 2 weeks. Will provide her with long-term MH case management, mental health case management. Harry now cries and panics whenever mom leaves his side, socially withdrawn, refusing to attend kindergarten, increased insomnia and nightmares, preoccupied regarding mom's daily activities, and that she might leave him again. This is greatly increasing pressure on Elizabeth when her mental health is already fragile. Father John, uninterested in meeting in person or discussing problems in detail. Harry attended initial assessment with Elizabeth and separation anxiety behavior very obvious. Okay, so here it's clear that Harry has some psychological issues. Okay, so next is a referral plan. Referral to early childhood mental health team for assessment and management of Harry's early onset separation anxiety disorder. Request joint meeting with case manager and Elizabeth. Okay, so due to these problems, you are referring him to the clinical psychologist. I hope you have understood the case notes. Okay, so I have prepared my own letter. I'll read this for you. All right. Okay, so this is a referral letter, and this is an unknown reader. Okay, so you have to include everything, and also since this is you are referring this patient to a clinical psychologist, you should include the patient's behavior and psychological status also. You don't have to include all the medical histories and the mother's problems. Okay, your patient is Harry, her son. Okay, so the first para, this is being written to refer Harry, who requires your assessment and management as he is suspected to have early onset of separation anxiety. See, we are not sure about his diagnosis. They have put a query there. So that's why I wrote he is suspected to have early onset of separation anxiety. Okay, and since this is a child, you don't have to write any titles in front of patient's name. You just have to write first name without title. Okay, and the second para, that is the social history. Harry is a kindergarten student whose mother is suffering from postnatal depression. His father works 7 days and does not take care of his son. Harry likes soccer and playing with his dog. And this sentence is optional. And the third para, we are discussing Harry's present situation and the cause of his mental health issues. Harry started to show the signs of separation anxiety after her mother's recent hospital admission for 6 weeks due to suicidal attempt. As her mother is again admitted to hospital for long-term mental health management, he is socially withdrawn and is refusing to attend his school. He even suffers from increased insomnia along with nightmares. He often cries and is preoccupied with his mother's activities. Okay, see here I have not included any connectives. You know, before we used to use many connectives like moreover, furthermore, in addition, like that, but now OET doesn't like if we include lots of connectors. Okay, and the next para, since Harry's behavior has a major impact on his mother's recovery and his initial assessment showed obvious signs of separation anxiety, it would be greatly appreciated if you could do an assessment on Harry and provide management as you feel appropriate. It would be beneficial if you arrange a joint meeting with the case manager and his mother Elizabeth. Okay, instead of it would be beneficial if you can write please arrange a joint meeting. Okay, so this is all about this task, and the last sentence, please contact me if you have any further queries. That is all same for all the letters. Okay, so this is how I'll write this letter. So I hope you have understood. Okay, thank you for watching.